Alright, our first equation, we got y equals 2x. Then we're going to make our xy table, and first value of x, we're going to go with a 0, and when x equals 0, the y equals 0 also. And then when x equals 1, y would equal 2, and when x equals 2, y would equal 4. Then we're going to graph this. We're going to draw our graph, and each little tick mark is going to be 1. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 each way. And then we got point 0, 0, point 1 over 1 up 2, and then point 2, 4. And then we're going to connect these with a straight line that continues in each way. Alright, well, let's move on.
Wait, I need to copy it all down.
Sometimes I wonder who you'd be today.
Alright, our first equation we're going to start off with is y equals 2x. We're going to make our xy table. And for our first value of x, we're going to go with 0. Second value, when x is 0, y is 0 also. When we put x in, 1 in for x, y is going to be 2. And then when we put 2 in for x, y is going to be 4. Then we're going to graph these points. So we're going to make our graph. And each little hash is going to count as 1 unit. And then our first point, we have 0, 0. Second point, we have 1 and up 2. And then our third point, we have 2, 4. And then we're going to use the straight line tool that we have available to us on the community board. And we're going to connect these to show our y equals 2x line. And we also understand that they go on forever and ever in both ways. Alright. Let's go to the next page.
I need to copy it all down.
Alright. We'll go back, because we have that available to us. Instead of drawing our own graph, what we can do, we can go up to the Insert menu, go to a background, and from Library. And what we can do, there's a whole list of different folders. It's under the Shared Backgrounds, under Basic Backgrounds, and then we're going to go to Math, and then Coordinate Planes is the one we want. And all we're going to do, simply click and drag, and we have an entire simple, just 10 by 10 graph laid out for us already. And then like we had before with our equation, y equals 2x, and then we had our points on our xy, where we had 0, 0, 1, 2, and 2, 4. We can easily just see these points perfectly laid out on a graph for us. So we can plot them real quick and easy, no problem there. And then we can also use this ruler tool, bring this in, rotate it, line it up, and then point the pen. When you see the little line above the pencil is when you click and then you draw, and that creates your line. And then we can move it away to show the ease of that. Another thing that we can do within a classroom is actually bring up our web browser, which is awesome. And then normally we see this, and then we're like, how do we type something in? So we actually have a tool, the floating keyboard, where we can bring up, so we can actually use this. So we can go to any particular site we want to go to. Just type that in like you normally do on a keyboard, press enter, and then it'll go to the website. And then say